Hi friends, welcome to TERRA Naturals. Today I am going to show a treasurely recipe Shata Dhauta Ghrita or 100 times washed ghee. This treasurely recipe has amazing benefits when it comes to skin in different conditions. Shata means 100, Dhauta means washed and Ghrita means ghee. You may be wondering, for skin conditions, why do we use Shata Dhauta Ghrita or 100 times washed ghee, and why not ghee? I will tell you the reason. When you use a product with a pH which is less than a normal neutral pH or acidic pH, it can actually give more irritation to the skin. So, ghee can be little irritating too if your skin is already inflamed. But Shatadhauta Ghritha is made in such a way that the pH is maintained neutral. So, when you convert one substance into another substance, according to Ayurveda, this is called samskara. So, when we do samskara of ghee, it changes its pH from acidic to neutral. So, because of this samskara, what happens is something that was thick or granular and not penetrating properly into the skin is now become very smooth, shiny textured and silky. And also it penetrates easily into the skin. Let's get started. All we need is copper vessel, water and cow's ghee. Shata Dhauta Ghrita is a timeless beauty recipe from the 5000-year-old Ayurvedic text Charaka Samhita. I tilted my own ghee from cow's milk. But if you get pure cow's ghee, then you can use that. Pure cow's ghee looks like this. My ghee is ready. Take required amount of ghee in a copper plate and mix it with a spoon. After mixing with a spoon, you have to use a copper tumbler like this and wash the ghee for 100 times. Now add water and wash it. Strain the water thoroughly from the ghee and repeat the same procedure for 99 more times. At the beginning, it is little tough to strain the water, but after 10 or 15 times, you can strain the water easily. This is after 15 times. You can notice the texture of the ghee changes into cream-like. Because of not using any preservative, the shelf life will be 1 to 1.5 months, that is 30 to 40 days. Make small batches of this cream and leave your feedback in the comment section. Shatadhauta Ghritha is a handcrafted emollient that is excellent for damaged skin because ghee penetrates and nourishes all 7 layers of tissue. It contains omega-3, 9 fatty acids, vitamin A, D, E and K. All of these are considered as great for the skin. It is a natural sunscreen. It has inbuilt moisturizing properties which keeps the skin supple and adds glow to the skin complexion. Now I finished 100 times of washing the ghee. That's my Shata Dhauta Ghrita is ready. Once give a try to this authentic ancient cream, and I am sure your skin will love this cream. If you like this video, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos. Thank you.